Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make a milkshake using cocoa powder. This easy method requires just a few simple ingredients you likely have on hand. You will need 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of ice cream, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Make sure your blender is ready to go, along with your measuring cups and spoons, for a quick and delicious treat. Now, let's get started by adding our ingredients to the blender. First, pour 1 cup of cold milk into the blender pitcher. Next, scoop in 2 generous cups of your favorite vanilla or chocolate ice cream. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of sugar for that perfect sweetness. With all your ingredients inside, it is time to blend. Make sure the lid is securely fastened to prevent any spills. Turn your blender on high speed and let it run for about 30 to 60 seconds. Keep an eye on the mixture. You want it to be perfectly smooth and creamy, without any ice cream chunks remaining. Your homemade cocoa milkshake is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the thick, creamy beverage into a tall glass. For an extra special touch, you can garnish it with a dollop of whipped cream or a light dusting of cocoa powder. Serve it immediately to savor its refreshing taste and perfect, frosty texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.